Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Here is the job postings from today as on the date 31st October 2020. The candidates, those who want to apply for the right positions, please do watch my full video. The first vacancy is for the position of a driver for a cleaning services company in Dubai. Male candidate with an experience of 1 to 2 years can apply for this position. The salary package is from 82,000 plus other benefits. Interested candidates can forward your resume to the below provided WhatsApp number. Next is an urgent requirement from Dubai for the following positions of inventory controller, cash controller, kitchen supervisor and telephone operator. Male candidate with an experience of 1 to 2 years can apply for this position. The salary package is up to the company standards. You can contact in the below provided mobile numbers. Next vacancy is for the position of guest relation executive cum billing staff for a reputed hospital in Abu Dhabi. Male or female candidate can apply for this position. You can WhatsApp to the below number. The next vacancy is for the position of a salesperson in Dubai for 1 month, 6 hours a day to collect data from malls in Dubai. Must have good communication skills and reporting ethics. The salary package to be discussed during the interview. You can WhatsApp your resume to the below provided number. Next vacancy is for the position of IT pre-sales engineer in Dubai. Male candidate with an experience of 2 to 3 years in IT sales can apply for this vacancy. Freshers can also apply. UAE driving license is an advantage. The salary package to be discussed during the interview. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID. Next is an urgent requirement from a Dubai-based restaurant group for the following positions of service crew, team leader, shift leader, kitchen leader, line cook and restaurant manager. Both the male and female candidate with an previous F&B experience can apply for this vacancy. Company will provide with an attractive salary package plus accommodation and food allowance. Interested candidates can forward your resume to the below provided email ID. Next vacancy is for the position of accountant and bookkeeping staff from Business Bay, Dubai. Male candidate with an experience of 2 years in similar field can apply for this position. The candidates on visit visa are mostly preferred. Right candidates can forward your resume to the below provided email ID or can apply directly from the company website. Next vacancy is from an MEP contracting company in Abu Dhabi for the position of female accountant. The candidate must be proficient in Tally. Only Abu Dhabi residents need to apply for this position. The candidate in a husband visa can apply for this position. The salary package is from 83,000 plus other benefits. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID. Next is an urgent requirement from a reputed security company in Abu Dhabi for the position of security guard. The candidate must have completed basic education. Age limit is between 21 to 38 years and the height required is 173 centimeter. The salary package is from 82,400 plus accommodation. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID or can contact in the below numbers. The next vacancy is for the position of an experienced chef from a newly opened cafe in Dubai Marina. Male candidate with an experience in setting up and designing menus, cold food can apply for this position. Should know costing and inventory. The salary package is from 85,000 plus other benefits. Interested candidates can forward your resume to the below provided email ID. Hi friends, if you find my video useful, please subscribe to my channel for more daily UAE jobs and for the job related queries, and also press the bell icon for receiving daily UAE job notifications immediately onto your phone. If you have any doubt regarding any of these job postings, please do let me know in my comment box below. Good luck on your job search. and may God bless you all.